Hi friends, Kamal here. Today I am going to talk about 5 tips for qualifying UGC NET exam. Friend, these tips are very helpful for those who are preparing for UGC NET exam or in fact for every exam. So let's go to the tips. Tip number 1, cover the entire syllabus. So friend, first of all you need to download your syllabus of NTA NET exam, and you have to cover the entire syllabus. At least you need to know about, you need to take a kind of overview of entire syllabus. Second tip is solve previous year question papers and practice sets. And now why these previous year questions paper? Because it will help you in two ways. First, it will build your confidence, and second, it will also tell you that where you are lacking. Suppose you attempt a question paper out of 50 questions, let's say out of 50 questions you give a right answer for 30. Now the 20 question that you didn't attempt it correctly are your lacking area, so you can work on that. So previous year paper will help you to identify where you can correct, where you need to do hard work. So it will help you in identifying those areas where you need to hard work. And secondly, suppose you attempted you are attempting previous year papers for, let's say, first day you attempted 30 question right, second day you attempted 35 question right. In this way this will help you in confidence building also. So tip number 3 is revise before the exam. This is the most important, because if you have covered the entire syllabus but you do not revise before the exam, so in that case it may happen that you know the things but you still can't answer. So if you revise before the exam, so you can easily answer questions, right? Tip number 4 is stop studying new things before 15 days of the exam, right? Reason behind this is when we add new things, suppose we don't understand them, in that case it will decrease our morale. So that's why I'm saying do not add anything before 15 days. Just focus on revising and solving previous year papers. That's it. Tip number 5 is first solve those questions whose answer is 100% confirmed. During the exam you need to answer first those questions which are 100% confirmed, right? And after that you can move to the left questions, right? Okay, so these are the 5 tips you can follow for preparing UGC NTA NET exam. Thank you friends, and if you like the video you can subscribe also. You can subscribe my channel. Thank you.